Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I'm actually going to be testing out these $5 sponges that I bought off of Amazon to see could they be Beautyblender dupes. Now if y'all don't know already, I absolutely love me some Beautyblender. Okay, I have so many of them in so many colors, it is crazy. But, you know, I know everybody is not going to be interested in purchasing a sponge for $20 each. And that's not even a cleanser or nothing coming with it. That's just like literally the sponge. And maybe if you're lucky, they'll throw in like a mini cleanser or something. But yeah. These little babies I found on Amazon and they were really highly rated. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try them out. So they come in various colors. It's a pack with like a bunch of different colors in it. They are very, very soft, yet still have that nice firmness to it, like a beauty blender. It's not as soft as the Beauty Blender, but it's still pretty soft. And this is without even wetting it. So today we're going to be using these with one of my all-time favorite drugstore foundations. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and this is in this color 356 Warm Coconut. Now this might be too dark for me by now, but yeah, let's get right into it. So as usual, gonna prime my face with the liquid touch silk canvas. I'm using my fingers today because I know y'all might say something, because I always tell y'all, oh, I'm not gonna use my fingers or whatever, coronavirus, that, but I literally just came out of the bathroom washing my hands, so yeah, that's why. I already moisturized as well, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. Yeah, now that we've got that all in, now I'm going to take the foundation and I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the blue one, the darker one for the foundation. I like to use darker sponges when it comes to foundations. And then I'm just going to spray it down with my Fix Plus spray, like I do my brushes and everything. Yeah, as you can see, definitely like a summer color. But, ooh, child. And y'all wouldn't believe this was like my perfect shade before. Like a really good shade. But, you know, we're gonna roll with it. Very natural, but yet still so like full. Like, whoa, y'all can drastically see the difference. But man, y'all, anyway, I can't even explain it. I don't know how this was my perfect color. Well, I do know how. I was darker, obviously, but yeah, man, y'all, don't judge me, man. Don't judge. It's gonna get better as we move along. So this is one side of my face. This is the other. Aside from the color difference, I just love how it still looks like skin and still gives me great coverage. And this sponge is doing it. Like, I completely forgot that I was even using this $5 sponge just now and not my Beauty Blender. It's crazy. But I have no complaints about this sponge right now. Like, it feels so normal to me. Like, are y'all seeing this? Like, I'm looking at it and I look so smooth. Like, I'm trying to look at it in my mirror. I look so smooth. Like, I am so happy with the application of this sponge with this foundation. Like, there is no difference in how this foundation looks with this and with my Beauty Blender, and even with my favorite Sephora brush. Like, oof. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more coverage to the areas that I need it. Y'all know how that go. And yeah, like, I have absolutely no touching up to do with this sponge. Like, Nothing. I have no reason to go back in and do anything. And maybe that's a testament to this foundation, but like I said, looking at how this looks, knowing how it looks like when I did it with my brush, when I did it with my beauty blender, and looking at it now with the $5 sponges, it's like literally no difference. No difference, and that's crazy. So I just went in for with my Juvia's Place concealer in number 15, and yeah, now we're going to go in with the purple sponge and blend this out. I already had it sitting for a little while. Y'all know how I do. And we're gonna see if it blends out well. So it is blending out the same as if I would have used a brush. And y'all just saw me use these concealers with a brush a few videos back when I was doing my full facial Juvia's Place. So y'all know how this concealer behaves, and y'all are seeing what this sponge is doing. Let me step back, because when I go low, yeah, it's kind of like coming out of frame, but you guys are seeing it. Like, the blend is no different. No different. And yes, I did put too much, okay, because it's a bit harder to control this concealer, but we'll be fine. We will be fine. We will be just all right. The proof is in the pudding, y'all. The proof is in the pudding. This sponge, these sponges are doing it. So now I'm just going to go back in with that foundation sponge, and y'all know the name of the game. Blend, blend, blend. So now we are nice and highlighted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna powder up with these sponges and see how they act with powder now. Okay, so I am back and we're going to powder with the Huda Beauty baking powder in Kunafa. Now I'm not gonna leave this on because we don't need to do all that today. We're not doing much today. So I'm just gonna dust it off with my Kat Von D brush right quick. So yeah, these sponges are doing a really, really good job so far. And so right now I'm just gonna put on lashes, put on the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come to you guys and we're gonna talk a little bit about these sponges a little bit more in depth. So yeah, guys, what do I think about the BeaKey sponges from Amazon? And to be honest, I absolutely love them. Like, there is nothing that I did not like about these sponges. They blended my makeup well. They just did everything amazingly. Like, I have literally nothing bad to say about them at all. Nothing. I will link the product down below in the description box. Hopefully they're still the same price, because if they're not, then this whole video is going to be a bummer. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.